Hello guys, now there is the remote and then over there is the roof. I will show you how to disconnect the remote to the retractable roof. So first step, we need to choose the right channel. That is from 0 to 15. And we need to choose the right channel is the channel 1 to link to this. It can control the roof. So the disconnected workflow is to make sure you first step choose the right channel 1, and then channel 1, and then open the back side to touch the pressing the P2 button right hand side. Do touch the right hand side one, not the left side one. Yeah, just the right hand side. Keep pressing it until you hear the first voice is did, and keep pressing it until you heard another 3 voice did, and then they will disconnect to each other. So let's see. Keep pressing the P2 button. Yes, you just heard that 4 voice. First one is did, and the second 3, and the second third and fourth voice is did. And now you can see we choose the channel 1 as we can control it at the beginning. Now they are disconnected. Yeah. So next step, we will show you how to link together and then set the limit key. Okay, thank you.